everyone, a very warm welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how to make chocolate banana bread in the comfort of your home. This is a no-fail recipe if only you use the exact measurements. So let me quickly tell you a story behind this recipe. My family requested for this bread and I decided to share with you all. So after baking, I left it to completely cool down before I continued taking pictures and videos of it. And before I realized, they had started eating it. So I had to quickly make another bread before I can take pictures. This should tell you how delicious this recipe is. So kindly stay tuned for more. Thank you.